Did you ever get that frustrating feeling when your great idea turns into a useless ChatGPT response? It's not your idea that's failing, it's how you're communicating it. You're still writing a basic prompt when it needs a professional system. I found a custom GPT that automatically creates that system for you, turning your basic request into a professional instruction. You're about to see how this gets you a 10 times better result. We'll take one of the most common everyday prompts, upgrade it, and compare the chaotic before with the brilliant after. You will instantly see the clear difference. My goal is to teach you the simple thinking behind it, so you can get this professional quality on your own every single time. Alright, let's jump straight into the proof. I actually asked ChatGPT what the most common requests are, and this is the core of what it told me. So, of course, this is the exact prompt we're going to use. Now, pasting it in, write me a YouTube script about AI. No context, no instructions, just the raw prompt. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, now let's take a close look at why this result is so mediocre. Look at this first sentence. Have you ever stopped to think about how fast the world is changing? The structure is slow, it's abstract, it's distant. Do you really want to listen to a video that starts like this? That's how you start an essay, not a YouTube video. The you it's using here isn't personal. It's a generic rhetorical you. It's not actually talking to you. And then it continues. Not because of politics or money, but because of intelligence. But why is this so bad? Because there are no concrete examples, nothing you can actually see in your mind. And if there's no picture in your head, there's no hook. I mean, it ends the intro with this vague statement, "We're entering an era." This sounds big, but it gives you absolutely no reason to keep watching. There's no promise, no value for you as a viewer. So how are we gonna fix this? Let me show you. I'm taking that same prompt over to the Instruction Master. Now it asks me 2 quick questions about my goal and my audience. And then it builds this, a professional prompt with instruction. Let's quickly compare the 2 input prompts. The first is a basic, undefined prompt. The new one is a complete blueprint. It doesn't just give the AI a role and a goal, it gives it a professional structure. Notice the clear sections, task, context, and output format. This is the upgrade that changes the entire output. Okay, I'm copying this new instruction into a fresh chat. Let's see the difference it makes. Whoa, this result is completely different. Look at this. How your phone recognizes your face, how Netflix knows what to recommend next, or how cars can drive themselves. So right there, we finally have a picture in your head. It's using concrete everyday examples, your phone, your Netflix. This is a sequence of short rhythmic questions that builds momentum. That's why this is a real YouTube hook. And it ends with a clear promise. Look at this. Let's break it down simply. That's the sentence that tells the viewer exactly what they're going to get and convinces them to stick around. Now, one small detail. Did you notice the "hey there" at the very beginning? No real creator starts their video that way. It's generic. But this is actually a final aha moment. GPT defaulted to this neutral, friendly tone because we didn't explicitly tell it what tone to use. It was another gap, and it filled it with the safest, most boring option. So, let's look at them side by side. The first one is a passive text. The second one is an engaging story. The only difference is that we define the role, the goal, and the necessary structure. I know that was fast. You can find the full uncensored side-by-side comparison in a link below the video. Go and read the rest later. So the lesson is simple. If you don't give ChatGPT a professional blueprint, it will always default to a boring robot. You have to tell it who to be. So now, let's quickly review the 3 key takeaways from this one test that completely changes your AI output. First, define a role. You saw what happened when we didn't. ChatGPT became a generic academic. You must define who the AI is, like a YouTube scriptwriter or a marketing strategist. Second, state the goal and audience. Our basic prompt failed because it didn't specify the audience. You have to clearly state the exact purpose of the content. For example, that you want it to generate a powerful hook, and exactly who it's for. Clarity plus audience focus turns information into action. And third, use structure. We saw the difference between a single line request and a structured instruction with a task, context, and output format. Structure beats overload every time, guaranteeing you get clean, usable results. The goal is to stop writing basic prompts and start creating professional instructions. And the fastest way to implement this system is to try Instruction Master for yourself. It forces you to think like an expert and then builds the perfect instruction for you. The link is in the description below. Stop fighting with boring AI outputs. Prompt smarter, not longer. Go try Instruction Master and get the 10 times results you deserve. And if this video helped you understand the simple difference, hit the like button, subscribe for more breakdowns like this one, and leave a comment below letting me know what tool I should master next. See you in the next one. Peace.